Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. Did I say subscribe my other channel? Anyway, I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. This is actually a couple weeks old. I haven't, even though videos up on my channel, I haven't made any haul videos. I got some Dollar Tree ones. I put it together. But anyway, I went to two Tuesday mornings. I got some stuff off clearance, off one that I don't go to that often. Then got a couple things from one of my stores. So this was the crochet set. I hauled on the last Tuesday morning haul the glue and the scissors and the needle and the thread and the thimble, and so I got this set. Of course, it goes along with the crafty theme. So I felt like it was on clearance, just like the other ones were on clearance, with an additional 20% off, 25% off. I didn't get an additional 25% off of this, but I think I still paid like $1.97 or something like that for it, or whatever it was. I don't know, but it was cheap. It was like, it couldn't have been $2, maybe two at the most. So I ended up getting that because I thought it'd go with all my crafty theme items. So get a whole stash of those kind of stuff, which is kind of cool. This was like, it was on clearance, $2 or something. But anyway, for this, I buy these just so I can have some extra ones of these pieces to make the ribbons, the rosettes. So that's what that's for. And then this So Sorry die was on clearance as well, and I think it was under $2. And it has the outer and the inner, so you have your shadow with it. So this coordinates with the Just Believe unmounted rubber stamp. But anyway, so that was on clearance, but I thought I would get that because I don't have a sentiment that says, a die sentiment that says anything like that. And it's a nice size, as you can see. Sentiment. And then I came across this paper pad. I thought I got another one, but I got this one, which is a sports one, and it was $2 and some change. And I said yes, because one is masculine, the colors. I definitely would have got it either way, just because of the colors. I can use these pages for boy pages, and it's a sports theme. Again, it's hard to get masculine kind of stuff, and then it's got a list of all the sports, even though girls can play some of these as well. But the color pattern is what I'm saying. Like, so I love this, and this doesn't have to be for sports at all. It's football, but you know, but that's a nice color. So I just thought this would be great. Of course, they repeat. And so for less than $3, I thought, yep, that's going home with me. And I'm making some pages before I show you this. I had gotten this, took it back, but ended up getting it again because I was like, you know what? I checked, I didn't have it, and I thought about it. I'm probably not going to find it. So I showed you I got the other face, the 6x6, and my other haul, the face board, and I got the Grace one. I got the name of it, but anyway, I'll show you that in another haul. So I did decide to go back and get this. It's got the so many stickers in it. I wish it had chipboard, but it doesn't. But anyway, it does have the coordinating colors in here with it too, not just the 12 pack, but it has also the coordinating colors. So those 24 pages in here instead of just 12, which is what you normally see in the Tuesday morning haul, but it's 24 because it's got the coordinating. And you got your ephemeras and your sticker sheets. So I got that. Then I was excited to get these stamps. So this one, they all here are ours, but I got this one. I'm hating the price, but still, you know, not bad. It's got the, you know, the clear stamps and then the dies to go with it for $6.99, so that wasn't bad. It says, let's go on vacay, eat, sleep, beach, repeat, treat yourself, beach please, no time for shade. So I thought that was cute. But the summer coming up. And then these three I was like really excited to get. They had some more too. There's some book level ones and some what's this, little Wizard of Oz and different stuff. But anyway, I got this one. I thought this was cute because you could use this, I thought, in a lot of different ways. And this is called Messages. It says The Post, so you can make it like a newspaper. The Times, I've Got News, Crash, Victory, all the news that's fit to print. Here's the latest, and it's kind of got that faded text like a print would have. And then this little piece right here, you can use this in the background stamp. For anything. Extra, extra, read all about it. Breaking news, this just in, you're the best, I love you. Hashtag not fake news. Victory. So I thought it was cute, the little sentiments on that. I'm sorry, I thought I heard something. And then these two, I looked up online. They do have dies to go with them, which I'm going to get because I love houses. And this is Welcome to the Neighborhood. Thanks for making me feel right at home. Congratulations on your new home. And then it's got like, you can make the house extend. You got the little lights and stuff, cars. You can make a whole other thing with that. The clouds. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I like that. So I'm ordered the dies off Amazon. And definitely for this mountain lion one, it's got 3 different ways to color it in to make the shading in it. It says you got this, you can conquer mountains, your fears, keep your head up, climb high, and live fearless. So I was like, yes, I love the sentiments with this. And then when I saw I had the die to go with it, I definitely want to get that. So this would be great for some encouraging cards or iCads or memory decks. So that's why I wanted to get that one. And then just because they have some red basil, you know, basil is nice and thick. It was $4.99. And I just wanted that textured paper. They're cardstock, so I got some of that. And I think it should be 25 pieces in here. They used to be $3.99. They're $4.99 now. And then the last piece I got was this. I showed you guys in my other haul that I had picked up that paper pad. So then I found the chipboard, which I think I may have this, I don't know, but anyway. So I was excited to get that to go along with it, to make some embellishments and cards. So that is my TM haul. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.